Something I've been discussing for quite a while is we are about to see an explosion in canceled or delistings. And sure enough, just this week, Redfin said a 47% jump in delistings. I told you this was coming. Let me tell you what comes next. We are going to see a lot of accidental landlords. We have a lot of folks who bought houses years ago with very low interest rates that tried to sell them. They're not selling. They are going to buy that next home and keep this asset, which is the mortgage and the house. And thus, we are about to see an explosion in accidental landlords. And one of the things I think all landlords need is systems and processes and tools. Accidental landlords need easy because they were not planning to do this. Dana, I think Hemlane is perfectly positioned for accidental landlords. Let's tell them all the good stuff they can get, all the different levels. But yeah, accidental landlords are about to explode.
Yeah, and I think the big thing with accidental landlords, if you are someone out there who is one, that is really important to talk about is if it's not a good time for you to sell and you're locked into an incredibly low interest rate, why don't you go ahead and make this investment really what it's worth? And the number one thing that will have you make a terrible decision, like selling your property at the wrong time when you're locked into an interest rate, is if you have a terrible property management experience. And so that's where being slightly more passive, but being able to make the decisions, having the right processes in place will help you feel that way. So I love this. I love the topic, and happy to kind of share what I've seen with accidental landlords and the mistakes they make.
Yeah, I think accidental landlords, again, I think there's going to be, it's going to grow. I'll put a number on it, 25%. Again, a lot of people tried to sell, scoop their equity. It didn't happen. 47% jump in delistings and growing. I think a lot of people are going to put them on the market. We are seeing single family rents strengthen, right? There is weakness in apartments, but not in single family homes. And it's just a good financial move. For a lot of people, if you have a mortgage below 3%, that's a freaking asset and a half. You know, I mean, how much money would you borrow sub 3% with 30-year term? I mean, like the only answer is all of it. And, you know, this is just all of it, right? So again, I think when you're an accidental landlord, you know, what I've seen is people just, you know, kind of what Dion did, right? He was an accidental landlord back in the Great Recession. He decided to rent to a friend. He didn't need a lease, and it all just blew up, right? Being a landlord is a process. There are rules. So, and then Hemlane's just where they should go, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think one of the things I would say about being an accidental landlord is you need to control your process. The biggest mistake I see made is like the tenant's like, oh, but I want to pay via Zelle, or I want to pay via Venmo, or, you know, hey, I couldn't use your credit and background check. Let me go ahead and send you a PDF of what my credit score shows. Like every single time you say, nope, this is our process. Here's why we follow this. Everything goes smoothly. But the second that you start going off of that process, or going off of what the lease says, or not even having the lease, which you just spoke about with Dion, suddenly you learn your lessons really quickly. And we would hate for you to go the way of not keeping that asset, where, to your point, under 3% interest rate is the best thing you can get.
Yeah, the worst possible outcome for an accidental landlord is you become a don't wanter, right? So you become an accidental landlord, you do it the wrong way, you don't have process procedures, you don't vet your tenants, you end up very quickly realizing it's you're paying the price, and then you become a frustrated landlord and you sell at a discount. That is like the absolute worst thing you want to do. So again, if you're going to take this asset, you're going to treat it right, you need a system, a platform for communication, audit trail, advertising, vetting, not to mention Hemlane's resources tab, because again, you're an accidental landlord. You have no idea what the rules are. This wasn't a plan. It wasn't a mission. But now you can go to your resources tab and figure out what the rules of the road are. So I just think there's any accidental landlord out there should not do this on their own. You know, they should use a system and a platform like Hemlane.
Yeah. And use the default settings. So like one of the things that I see is like our defaults are for you, not for us. So we say full payment only on every single payment. Do not accept credit or debit card, only accept bank-to-bank transfers. These settings are there for a reason. It's because we've seen disputes come in. A tenant moves out and they say, whoops, give me that money back, Venmo or whatever you're using. And so we've tried to set a process to say, you don't have to think about this stuff. We've thought about it for you. And the second you go out of that, that's where you can get into trouble.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, let's remind people, again, accidental landlords, they maybe weren't thinking about using a tour platform, but Hemlane has lots of different levels, one of them even free, a trial, all of that stuff. Let's tell the accidental landlords how they get a taste of this wonderful platform.
Yeah, so it starts with the free plan. That's called the starter plan. You can advertise your rental property to every listing website out there, so you don't have to know what are the top ones. We'll do that for you. It responds to tenant inquiries, helps you get your showing set up with them. We do application, background, and credit check, income verification as well. And then you also get accounting software, so you can sync your bank account and see how your property is performing. That's a starter package. Basic is software that also includes the day-to-day management with the tenants, so the leases, the lease renewals, maintenance and repair, all of that. And then our service packages, which are our most beloved, I think this is truly the differentiator, is you get 24/7 repair coordination added on. Those are our employees. They're not others. They're our employees. So 24/7 repair coordination. You can get a leasing assistant as well and a leasing coordinator. You get self-guided tours. You can get a rental assistant to help respond to tenant inquiries. So there's just a lot there, all bundled together in that complete package for you, so you can get that end-to-end property management that you want. That is more passive. However, it's kind of fun because you can go in the system, see every single tenant inquiry, see how the responses were, all of that. And so it also holds us accountable, which I quite like.
Yeah, I love that as well. And again, accidental landlords, you got to just remember, accidental landlords are that for a reason. And many of them are going to move out of state. I've saw lots of people that are like, hey, I'm done. I can't sell my house. I'm going to rent it, but I'm going to Texas or Florida or Tennessee or wherever it is. Again, this is just like out of state investing. And again, the thing that I think makes Hemlane unique is that repair coordination. The fact that it is your employees. This is not some outsourced service that you're training VAs somewhere. These are your people. And then again, you just offer so many different levels. If somebody wanted to go look it up, what do they do?
Yeah, you can go to Hemlane, HEMLANE.com. Mention one rental at a time because you do get 20% off your first year on our paid packages. You can always start on the starter package and tap into that at any time.
Folks, at the end of the day, I really do think accidental landlords are going to explode and explode for a good reason. Again, you have a mortgage that produces cash flow day one. You want to make sure you don't become a frustrated landlord and bust out. Invest in the tools, invest in a platform like Hemlane, give it a free trial, use the free package. Just realize if you're going to have this asset, let's do our best to protect it. Dana, you're amazing. Take care. Keep it going.
Thanks for having me.